Let's take a look at the timeline panel where you will be editing the project. Bring a clip, you can drag and drop it onto the timeline. You can play through the clip using the playhead. The audio track is currently muted. The timeline consists of the video tracks and the audio tracks. You can play through the clip and use the spacebar button. You can adjust the zoom, also the track height. To bring a specific portion of a clip, you can double click it here and it will open up in the source panel. You can see what is happening. To set a in point, you can hit the I button. Select a point, hit the O button for the out point. Drag and drop it to the timeline. You can select video only and audio only.